you trippin', that's
Homie, is you trippin', that's trippin'.
Better have 'em looking
Better
drippin'.
have them all looking drippy. Check out the style, cause he litty in the city and is clearly one of the best in the industry.
Come on, you trippin', that's
Homie, is you trippin', that's
Better
trippin'.
have 'em looking
Better
drippin'.
have them all looking drippy. Check out the style, cause he litty in the city and is clearly one of the best in the industry.
Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm back. Today we're just gonna do an unboxing. I got this clipper in the mail today from Supreme. Just want to say thanks to Supreme for all the stuff they've been shooting. Great quality, great prices on these things. This one's gonna run you about 80 bucks. This is that Pro clipper, the gold one. This one comes with a fade blade on it. It also has a nice battery display on the front. You know where your battery's at as you're cutting throughout the day. Lasts you pretty much the whole day. I don't do more than 10 cuts max a day, and that's probably on a Friday, a busy day. I don't know about you guys. I don't really be cutting that much, but it lasts me the whole day. Also comes with those magnetic guards I just showed you. This clipper comes with a bunch of stuff. We just about to see what it come with. Oh, it comes with these stickers. Also comes with a cutting cape. What's in this box? Let me see what we got in here. Okay, oh, we got some combs. Okay, then we got this curved comb. I don't even know how to use this thing, so we're gonna have to do a video on how you're supposed to use it. This cool little curved comb. I don't know how to use it, but we're gonna figure it out. Thank you. Okay, what else we got in here? We got some chargers, a USB charger. We got a wall charger, so you got two different chargers. Clipper should never be dead. Then we got these brushes. Oh, I like these little brushes. These little brushes right here, I use these for beard color enhancing. Then we got this face plate, so you can give it a different look when you want to. Shit, you got a lot of stuff right there for 80 bucks. And if you're looking to get any of these clippers or trimmers, use my promo code TRIPPY10. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, alright? Peace.